Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Takunba and flew all the way in from out of state. And you've been in contact with us for quite some time. Give us a little history of your hair loss and what you're looking forward to obtaining today.
Okay, I contacted the Maryland office 6 years ago. I was nervous. I didn't know anybody who had any hair transplants. I was like, I'm not doing that. I was just scared. And then over the years, I just kept researching natural hair transplant. It kept coming up on my feed. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it. My hair started to thin about 8 years ago, but it was where I can cover it. And over the years of putting braids and wigs and lace fronts and glue trying to cover it, it started to thin more and more and more until I could no longer cover it. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go for it. So I flew in from New York City yesterday. I'm here at Natural Hair Transplant with Dr. Siegel, and I'm excited. I'm nervous, but I'm really, really excited to get this part of my life behind me so I can no longer wear lace fronts, but I want to be able to style my hair and push my hair back and not have to worry about constantly covering.
So we're going to go ahead and first start off by drawing out the hairline to your liking. I never dictate where your hairline is going to be. I will give you my recommendations. I'll give you my suggestions. I'll give you my 2 cents. But at the end of the day, you will dictate where your hairline will be. And let's get started. So here I am with Takumba, and we are all done. How was your day?
My day was amazing. I'm so happy I came here. I'm ready for the world. I'm ready for the next part of my journey. It was a great day. I got to eat. The women that work with Dr. C who are amazing, Jen and Scar, right?
Yeah.
They're amazing. And I recommend Dr. Siegel, please.
Other than the local anesthesia, the rest of it is smooth.
Yes. And the local anesthesia is really not as bad as I expected. If you can get dental work, it's perfect. It's not that bad. It's really not.
And it's for a lifetime of happiness. It
Yes.
really is.
Yes.
And that's what I said. It's same thing for me. I've had the hair transplant myself. But I thank you so much for flying in to have a hair transplant with us.
Yes.
That's why they call us Team Edges. And, I think you did the right choice. Definitely the FUT was the right procedure for you over the FUE.
Yes.
But everybody is different. So again, I'm Dr. Siegel. I thank you so much for volunteering to do a video for us.
Yes.
And you look amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.